Commas can be tricky, but once you understand the rules, they can be a powerful tool for making your writing clearer and more effective. One of the most common ways to use commas is to separate coordinate adjectives. Coordinate adjectives are two or more adjectives that describe the same noun, and can be rearranged without changing the meaning of the sentence. When you have two or more coordinate adjectives, you should separate them with commas. The easiest way to tell if adjectives are coordinate is to insert the word and between them. If the sentence still makes sense, then they are coordinate adjectives and should be separated by a comma. For example, she wore a bright, colorful scarf. You could also say, she wore a bright and colorful scarf. The cute, fluffy kitten played with a toy. You could also say, the cute and fluffy kitten played with a toy. He was a tall, handsome man. You could also say, he was a tall and handsome man. The small, cozy, well-lit room was perfect for reading. You could also say, the small and cozy and well-lit room was perfect for reading. However, it's important to note that not all adjectives are coordinate, and therefore, not all adjectives should be separated by commas. For example, in the sentence, he wore an old green shirt. Old and green are not coordinate adjectives, so they should not be separated by a comma. Remember, using commas correctly can make your writing clearer and more effective, so take the time to learn the rules and practice using them in your writing.